Hi, my name is Allison. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Insert Headers and Footers plugin to your WordPress site. This plugin allows you to add custom CSS to your headers and footers. So, to get started, you're going to go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Insert Headers and Footers. Once here, you can go ahead and click Install Now. Once you've installed, you can go to Installed Plugins and click Activate. Once it's activated, it'll show up in your Settings menu. So if you go to Settings, Insert Headers and Footers, you'll get to here. Then, here you can go ahead and insert your custom code, whether it's Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, custom CSS, or anything you might need. This is the spot for it. You can insert your header, your body, and your footer. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.